In this video, I would like to show you the structure of inheritance, because we have a simple structure like the parent class and two child class, but there has to be a complex structure of inheritance principles. So, for example, I would like to create a class and I will call it mammal, and it will inherit everything from the animal. Okay, and there is only simple one method, anything special, and it will be called feed baby. Okay, so now it will print something simple, feeding the baby with milk, for example. But now it means that the class animal inherit everything from the class, class mammal inherit everything from the class animal, and the mammal has a special method feed baby, but the mammal can use the method eat and the constructor as well. Okay, so the mammal has this constructor, method eat and method feed. Okay, but now the dog and cat, for example, can inherit from the mammal. So it means I will change in here and I will call it mammal. And here as well, mammal. Mammal. Okay. So now how does it work? it's exactly what do you think, guys? It isn't anything special. We have only two parts or two levels of the child class. Okay, so we can say this is the child class of animal and this is child class of mammal. Okay, of mammal. I like this word. So it means that now, for example, dog. Okay, dog. What can do a dog? Dog has a special constructor. It's this constructor plus a breed, how we spoke about that in the previous video. Now the dog has a bark method. Of course, it's a special method only for dog, but the dog has the method feed baby and the dog has a method eat. Okay, because dog inherit everything from the mammal and mammal inherit everything from the animal. So we can check it. Okay, so now we created a dog. Of course, dog constructor has two attributes, the name and breed. And now we can try. So at first I would like to call bark. Okay, so I will print the dog bark and we will see if it's work. Okay, but the beagle is barking. Perfect. So now I would like to call the feed baby and we will see. Feed baby return the text. So I will sorry guys, we don't need to use print here, right? Because there is no return, there is print. So I just will call it and it will print something. So I will call it like this, but the beagle is barking. Perfect. So now the dog should have a method feed baby from the mammal, like this. Again, I will run it. Buddy, the beagle is barking, feeding the baby with milk. Great. And the dog should has a method eat as well from the animal. Dog dog and eat. I will run it and we can see these three methods are available. Perfect. So it's a proof that the dog has everything. Okay, it has bark, it has feed baby, it has it has eat, everything. And now what about cat? Cat is the absolutely the same. So the cat has this constructor, inherit the constructor from the mammal, and mammal inherit constructor from the animal. And the special for cat is the color. And what about methods? Cat can meow, so this method it's special for cat, but cat has approach or has or can use a feed baby as well, and cat can use eat as well. Okay, because cat inherit from mammal and mammal inherit from animal. So I hope guys that you are not confused. So if I will try that and change it for the cat here like this, okay, I will run it. So sorry, cat, there is no bark, correct? Because bark is special for the dog. It's meow, of course. Meow. Perfect. So maybe I will put here some separator or something like this, something very simple. Okay, this is for the dog, this is for the cat. Perfect. So now guys, I hope that you understand that the structure can be more complicated. So it means that some class can inherit something from the previous class, and the previous class can inherit something from the previous class. So it means now the dog has a parent class mammal, and mammal has a parent class animal. It's the same for the cat as well.